shopping today. Not sure if we're gonna buy it or not. Maybe you could convince us to do it. Comment down below if you want to see this car come to the channel. Anyway, enjoy the video, enjoy the walk around. It's a 67 122S, abandoned for 35 years. The guy thinks he's put almost 1 million miles on it. He's had the car driving from the mid-70s, early to mid-70s, and then the car was last registered in 87, where he stopped driving it. He said he thinks the overdrive was stuck, but when I check out the car today, it's actually, the clutch is frozen, so that might be part of it. It's a little bit rusty, very rough, may or may not run. It's a B18 with a P1800 5-speed in it. The head's been shaved. The cam has been 3/4 ground. And it would be nice if I already tracked down where I can get some dual side draft carbs for it. But I don't know. If we get the car, maybe we'll do it. But hey, enjoy the video. Oops, wrong one. Here we go. All right, well, let's look at this thing.
Okay.
So you said you bought it in the 90s, or 90s, the 70s?
70, yeah, 70. I probably in some of the paperwork
We'll
give you the date.
the exact time. Oh, we're going through here a little bit. It's very crusty. The exhaust is rotting off of it.
Obviously. Oh, yeah.
It's real bad. Floors are toast, like you said.
Yep.
It's got the key. That's a bonus. Oh, wow.
Connected to you to cut off? No kidding.
Yes, sir.
Something's wrong.
Really?
Yep.
So that's real bad.
I'm so sorry, I don't know. Jacksonville.
Yeah.
Oh, frame is real crusty.
Ja?
Let's see. You said the motor's not locked up? Oh yeah, she's turning. I bet we could drive it out of here. I think we could. Yeah, that's a hole. All the way through there. Probably here. Yep. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Let's see. Clutch is frozen. Brakes are frozen. Gas pedal works. Brakes just slow you down anyway. You don't really need to shift. Is this an 1800 cluster, you said? Or not a cluster, but a P1800 column?
No,
But the switch is.
the switches and
I guess if I were going to store parts, I'd put them in the grain bin too.
here's a drive shaft.
Oh wow, lots of stuff.
Here's a transmission, and
Yep.
that's the
4-speed.
yeah, that's a trunk for the P1800. You know.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, the
It went back.
rod extension.
Let's see. Here's a spare tire.
That might come in handy. You said it's a 31?
31.
What's that, a Johnny Cash song where it's 31, 47, 58? All the different parts?
Yep.
Big old flathead.
Yep.
Little fuel cannon on there. Single barrel.
Yep.
Of course, a generator. Not an alternator, right?
Might even run.
You think it'll run?
Sometimes it does.
Occasionally. That's a nice part about them, right?
Yeah.
Just throw a battery in it, pump the gas a couple times.
I haven't cranked it in a while.
This thing is cool.
Yeah. Well, you have to put some gas in it.
They usually run better with gas in it.
I do. But I can do that very easily.
Of course, it's the air conditioning model. It's like a Tesla, you don't even have to steer it. Well, that would be fun. Or the Whaler. Gorgeous property. He said he has 300 acres out here. Yeah, I see it pumping in there. Looks a little cruddy, huh?
It does. Good thing I have a screen in it.
You don't see enough old hot rods anymore. Just because they're so scarce now, you know?
I built all this front part to it here.
The whole front end.
Well, this motor was in a 48 and the grill
Okay.
sits way out
Yeah,
in
a
front.
lot of space.
So it had a long deal
Long
coming
snout.
off the crank with a bunch of pulleys. I built this
Yeah,
to drive my generator and all to get it shortened up.
I think it looks great.
And I put the crab style distributor in it.
Yeah.
Let's see what she crank here. Come on, baby.
Sounds good.
Old nature.
Runs good.
400 of them.
Only 400,
Over
huh?
the years.
You said your buddy built that?
Yeah, my buddy built this one.
And it's a Hershaw?
Yeah. So
This one's a 12 as well?
12 and a half. And that's measured at the water line.
Honey,
Mm.
seems like we got some thinking to do.
Oh. What are you thinking?
We gotta figure out how to get home.
Well, gotta be safe.
Yeah. I think that's gonna be it for today, though. So tune in next week if you want to see if we buy this thing or not. Why don't you go out in your garage and you fix something, huh?